Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome to Vlogmas day 14. It is currently 7:22 a.m. I've been up replying and liking comments because I just posted the gingerbread house video with Christian. So I've been interacting with you guys. But I thought for today's vlog I would do like a work day in my life. I have school today and then a few things I have to get done after school. Also, day 14. It's been 2 weeks of Vlogmas. Yay. Less than 2 weeks to go. And this is the last week of school before winter break. So we just have to get through this week. Friday's my last day before winter break. And then I'm free. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. I'm gonna lay in bed and reply to more comments because I can just do it off of my phone. Good morning. Good morning. Did you have a good sleep?
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining or talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Fly one, smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man.
I am back to working downstairs. They finished our shower floor upstairs, but they're working on my pocket door, the door that leads to my bathroom. They're replacing it with a different door. So I'm going to be working downstairs in the dining room again. Mom just made some breakfast.
Morning.
Morning, morning. What did you make?
Eggs, bacon, and sausage.
Christian, say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're gonna eat some breakfast. What time is it? It's 8:26. I start school at 9. Mukbang. Guys, Christian is getting his room painted. Oh wow. He's getting like a navy blue. Oh, also, I wanted to show you guys the new house decor. Okay, slowly but surely, we're trying to decorate this living room. My mom doesn't want to reveal too much, but like we have curtains, these new chairs for the dining table, and then my mom put 2 little plants. We have this mirror that's right there. And every time you stand like by the sink, you can see yourself. What else? Oh, there's this lamp. There's Christian. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm gonna show. That's all I'm gonna show. I just ended my first class of the day and then I also made the thumbnail for this video. That's what it looks like. A lot of you guys wonder how I do it, and yes, I do it on my iPad. I use 3 different apps: Fonto, Over, and then GoodNotes. Fonto, I use it for text. Over, I use it to like crop it. And then GoodNotes, I use it for the outline that I do for every video. But yes, this is going to be the thumbnail. And now I have to get ready for my second class, which is TV production. My laptop is about to die, so I'm gonna move seats.
That is really interesting stuff.
People want to know what I do.
I am pulling out the chair.
Look, okay, the outlet is over here, so I gotta sit in this chair. Interesting, right, Mom?
So good.
Here's my charger. Here's me plugging in my laptop. Okay, now we're good. For my TV production class, we had to take some notes on a Christmas movie, and look it, that's what I did. I used red, green, and then did a little star for the eye. These are my notes, and then I just finished my homework assignment. I have to turn it in. There we go. Now I'm on lunch. I've been eating these Kit Kats, so I don't think I'm gonna make like anything. Oh, my mom made some ramen though.
Oh, hi.
I might take a few bites of that. Christian's playing guitar, if you can hear that. Oh my gosh, look what my dad just brought in.
Me?
No! You guys, I think it's my subscriber plaque. We're gonna unbox it. Oh my goodness.
Who's it from?
Carity.
Wow.
You did it! One mission, one channel, and one more thing. 1 million subscribers! Congratulations. You may have started with just a few viewers, but your incredible voice, passion, and creativity has now touched the lives of so many people around the world. And the community that you've built is immeasurably enriched by the stories that you've shared as you bring people together. To honor your incredible milestone, we are proud to present you with the Gold Creator Award. We hope that this special recognition will inspire you and remind you how much you mean to so many. We know this milestone is one of many that you have reached, with others yet to come. You are part of a dynamic group of creators who are building the next generation of new media companies. Every day you're redefining how content is created and watched, one voice and one video at a time. It is a great privilege to be part of your journey. We can't wait to see what you do next. CEO of YouTube.
Ooh.
Well, they spelled your name wrong.
No, they didn't. Oh my gosh! Presented to Nicole Laeno for passing 1 million subscribers. Ah! It's beautiful. What?
Let me put it in my room.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh! Thank you.
Wow. Dude, nice.
You're rocking it like a baby. It's so pretty. I can't wait to hang this up in my room.
Pretty beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Let's put it in the bathroom. Yeah, put it in my restroom.
Oh my gosh. I love you all. Thank you so much. Well, I have to make a new thumbnail now because I want to include the subscriber plaque in it. I think that's what I'm going to work on right now. That's so exciting though. Oh my gosh. Just sliding away. Here's the new thumbnail for the video. Mom's using her new steamer.
Hey.
She just got the steamer from Amazon.
So satisfying.
And she's steaming the curtains. And now it's time to join my last class of the day, which is English. Did I have homework for this class? Let me check. Okay, I don't think I did.
Okay, hey guys. So I ended school like a few minutes. I ended school like 30 minutes ago. I don't have any homework, yay. But I do have a few other things that I need to get done today. But I'm just laying here real quick, taking a little break, and I'll update you guys later. I might fall asleep, maybe. We'll see. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, it's much later. I took a nap and now it's 5:27, but we're back to working. So I am currently planning for future videos and kind of other content that I need to film and then incorporate into some future videos. I may have to film for a different video, so I might do that later. But right now I'm just working on my laptop, trying to type out different things. I got one done so far and then I just have a second one. And then I have to send it in to some brands so they can approve it. I'm walking. Dad is, what are you even building?
I don't know.
Dad is building something. There are so many pieces.
It's a TV stand.
Oh, it's a TV stand. Why are there so many pieces? I finished everything that I need to type. My mom made some tomato chicken. Thank you, Mom. Dad finished the TV stand. Looks nice. And then we're gonna mount a TV over there pretty soon. So that's actually everything that I need to get done today. I think I mentioned I had to film something, but I think I might do that later in this week. But I did want to talk about what the process is working with a brand, because I'm really grateful to be working with brands and it's a super cool thing. And I think a lot of people like don't know the process and what goes on like behind the scenes. So I'll kind of tell you guys how it is. When we first come to an understanding with the brand that we're gonna work together, we figure out what message they want us to convey and how it's going to be authentic to my channel. And then after that, my mom and I will kind of make a draft of a script before we film so that we can send it to them and make sure that everything is okay, everyone's on the same page, and that the talking points are good. And then I will film the video, edit that, and then turn it into the brand to see if they want to make any changes, because before the video gets posted, then I can make the revisions if there are any. And then once everything is approved, I schedule my my video and then it goes live. That's kind of what goes on behind the scenes of working with a brand. So yeah, that's that. But I'm going to eat some dinner now. Hopefully that was interesting and informative. I'm gonna eat some chicken and enjoy my dinner. I just took a shower and you guys, it's like early. It's 8:05 and usually I shower pretty late at night. Besides the point, I wanted to show you guys my pocket door because this is what they were working on like the whole day. This is what it looks like. They have to paint it because obviously it's not the same color as the wall, but it's a little more interesting than the other one because the other one was just like plain white. There was no detail to it. Anyways, this is where I'm going to end the video. Today was such a great day. It was fun. I got a lot done, which is amazing. I'm going to try to get a good night's sleep tonight. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, go comment on my community tab, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and go cop some Coley merch. I'll see you guys back tomorrow with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye.